Are you a red lipstick lover? If the answer is yes, or even if you are just curious to see, today I have a very fun video for you. I'm going to test 4 extremely popular red lipstick formulas, and I'm gonna wear them throughout the day. And at the end, I will let you know which is my favorite. So, if you want to see which is the best red liquid lipstick, then just keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to have you here with me today. I recently spotted on Sephora this collection. It is called Sephora Favorites Red Lipstick Selection, and I was so willing to get my hands on it. I went on both Sephoras that we have here on the city that I live, and it was sold out, but I managed to find it on their online store, so I went ahead and purchased it. And it's containing 4 lipsticks and 1 lip pencil. You do get quite a lot of product for the money that you are paying. I have paid for it around 30-40 bucks, but I had also a 20% off, so the total price was lower. I will put on the screen the exact value of all the products that are inside of this box. But yeah, I thought that it would be really fun to do a swatch on my lips and also a wear test for all the 4 shades that are coming on this box. But I don't want just to do a normal swatch. I want to wear that lipstick during the day, and at the end I will tell you exactly what lipstick I find that is more comfortable, long wearing, and yeah, which shade I like more as a tone, and so on. First I will show you exactly the products that are here. So all they are coming on this nice lip box, which I will definitely keep it. And inside, I already opened it because I did a Instagram story video that is already up. So you do get 3 full-size lipsticks and 1 travel size or deluxe size sample, and also you do get a lip liner. So you do get the lip liner from Huda Beauty in shade Heartbreaker. It looks like this. It's your classical lip liner, and this liner I will use it together with all the lipsticks from this box. Then you get the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte in shade 403. You get a Sephora Cream Lip Shine in shade 08. Then you do get a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in shade Heartbreaker. Those are the full size products. And your deluxe size product, it is from Kat Von D. It's in the shade Outlaw. So here you have it. Let's see how the lip liner is acting. Okay, it's really creamy. So far I like the texture of this lip liner from Huda Beauty. Now the fun will start. I will just put my hand and I will take a lipstick. Oh, which one it is? I got the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade 403. So I never had a Makeup Forever lipstick, either matte or normal bullet lipstick. So, ooh, this is darker than I was expecting. The color is nice and opaque, there is no patchiness whatsoever. The shade is a bit darker when you apply it, but as it dries out, it is getting toward reddish side. It doesn't make my teeth look yellow. Okay, this lipstick doesn't look nice with my eye makeup, but I just filmed another review for the Referral palette that I also purchased together with this lipstick set. So yeah, we will go like this today. Okay, I feel that the lipstick has dried out. So far I have just slight transfer, and also it is comfortable, doesn't dry out my lips. I don't feel the need to apply a balm or either a gloss. The time is right now 12:30, so I will come back in the end of the day and let you know how long it wears and if it transfers, it budges much or so. But so far I really like it. This is a photo of how the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick was looking after I had the lunch. Sadly, I had to remove it around 4 p.m. because it was not looking good and I had to get out, so my lipstick was not a good visit card for me. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a photo at the time. The next footage that I took, it was around 9 p.m, so after another 5 hours of wearing. It didn't look bad now, but I haven't had any meal between this time. I thought you might want to hear some interesting fact about red lipsticks. According to a large British cosmetics chain store, most clients choose red lipstick. Second among the purchase is makeup for a smoky look. Welcome to the second day of red lipstick testing. Today I picked up the Sephora cream lip stain to test out, which, by the way, was sealed. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it is a bit toward orange. I feel this kind of red is the most flattering for my skin tone. This is the only creamy formula from the collection and it didn't dry out matte whatsoever. But exactly being a creamier formula, it didn't make it with my lunch. This is how much has left after lunch. I didn't expect it to last longer and I had a decent 3-hour wear time. The day being still young, I went ahead and tried another lipstick from the collection, and this is the Huda Beauty one. I don't know why I had that face when I opened it, but it doesn't have to do anything with the product. Scientists conduct an experiment in which the waitress in a restaurant in France put on different lipstick: pink, brown and red. The girls with red lipstick receive 3 times more tips than the other. This formula is the most interesting one. It is creamier and even if it dries out matte, is not completely non-transferable. So I have had a lot of transfer on my coffee cup and if I accidentally was touching my hand with my lips. But somehow the color didn't fade. I really like it and it kept my lips moisturized throughout the day. I was also feeling the shade, it complements my skin tone. I couldn't get enough of my reflection with this shade. Some brands, even today, using the preparation of the red lipstick, fish scales. In the composition they are often mentioned as pearl extract. I keep waiting to dry out completely, but it didn't do so. And this is how it looks after 7 hours of wearing. Not bad. I still had something left on my lips, but I also could see that it was bleeding outside my lips. However, I really love the shade, the finish and the moisture that offers me throughout the day. During the Renaissance, lipsticks with red hue have used not only women but also men. In France, At the court of Louis XVI, the men have used lipstick to make their lips more visible on the background of the moustache and the beard. And we've got the last red lipstick from the list. The only one that remains, it is the Kat Von D Everlasting lipstick, which is also sealed, by the way. Didn't touch, didn't try it. We will do everything together. With this formula, I'm familiar. I do have other Everlasting lipsticks from Kat Von D. So I know it dries down matte and non-transferable to the touch. At least I hope it will be the same. This lipstick is the only one from the collection delivered in a mini-size version. But you get 3 mils, while the full size it is 6 mils. So not bad at all. So yes, it dried out and the transfer on my hand is from the lip liner mostly. I really love this shade. I was not expecting to be so pretty. And this is how the Kat Von D Everlasting lipstick is looking after I worn it for 9 hours. The icon Marilyn Monroe applied 5 coats of red lipstick to get the sexiest result. So ladies, what are you waiting for? It was a really interesting adventure for me wearing only red lipsticks for these days. And as a result, now I'm more confident on this chapter, because I was all the time avoiding wearing red lipstick from one or another reason. Now let's see if you can guess which one of the Sephora favorites red lipstick selection is my favorite. Well, I can tell you which one I like least. Unfortunately, this is the Makeup Forever Artist Matte Lipstick in shade 403. And this is mostly because of the shade and because it was drying out the crap of my lips. So next time I will wear it, I will put on top some balm or lip gloss. But other than that, I think it's quite a long-lasting lip formula. Just for me, it's a bit more difficult to wear it on its own. I thought the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick is an interesting formula. I also love the applicator and the fact that you don't need to dip 2 times on the tube to get your entire lips painted. And definitely I would like to try more shades from this range. But my favorite lipstick from the Sephora Favorites Red Lips selection, it is, ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in shade Outlaw. Now, I am not surprised that I love this lipstick because I am familiar with their formula. I have 2 or 3 other lipsticks from this Everlasting lipstick formula. I love it for the fact that it's long wearing, non-transferable, doesn't dry out your lips. It is a bit drying, but not to some extent that you need to apply a balm, a clear gloss. It can be worn on its own and you still have comfortable lip situation at the end of the day. So this is my favorite formula. I love all the lipsticks. I'm really happy that I had the occasion to try out all these wonderful lipstick formulas. I also love the Huda Beauty Lip Contour. I think it's matching perfectly with all 4 lip shades there are in this box. So yeah. And by the way, what lipstick I'm wearing on this video, this is the Sephora Cream Lip Shine in shade 08. Because I feel this is more comfortable to help me while I'm speaking. And of course, I also love this lipstick. I think this is a good lipstick if you only want to wear a red lipstick for a couple of hours. This is genial. Just don't mess it with your lunch. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please let me know in your comments if you have tried one or more from those lipsticks, and if yes, which one you liked more. Also let me know in your comments if you have got this Sephora red lipstick selection. I think it's available in most of European countries, in Czech Republic, Poland, probably Slovakia, and some other countries where the Sephora is running. I don't think so this is available on United States, but however you have another amazing deals there. This is only for us Europeans, I think. And also let me know if you are a red lipstick lover. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, follow me on my social, and I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye! I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. But my favorite red lipstick from Sephora, but my favorite lipstick from the Sephora, but my favorite liquid lipstick from the